In this video, we'll go through the idea of stages and tasks within Clarc and how to use your project workspace to manage your projects. If you have a project you've already created, you can enter the project's workspace by clicking on it within your project list. Here in the project page, the header displays the project title, which when clicked on brings up a drop-down menu where you can view and edit the project information, and also edit the display color, which appears in your favorites bar and other portions of Clarc. On the right, we have the connected parties, which is the main client for the project and also additional clients if there are any. We have the main consultants that are linked to this project. And we have our own team members that are connected to this project, as well as their project-specific hourly rates. If you had selected a project template when creating your project, the stages and tasks from your template will automatically appear here, including any budgets assigned to each stage. If not, then your project may appear empty just like this one. And you can add stages and tasks by clicking the Add Stage and Task button at the top right here. You can add stages individually by clicking Add Stage, which will make it appear here for you to fill in the relevant information. Or you can add a set of default stages that you've pre-created. We're going to go ahead and add all of our default stages now. We can see that there are different billing types for fixed fee and hourly rates that also have budgets assigned to them. So the way stages work in Clarc is they are the larger portions of a project that generally come from your contract and can have budgets assigned to them, either an hourly rate or a fixed fee, which you can toggle between here. For an hourly rate project, you will have an hourly charge and a budget in hours. So this is how many hours you're budgeting towards that stage. In a fixed fee project, you'll just have a single charge, which is the entire fee for that stage. Each of these budgets, when imported as stages into your project, will have a progress bar, and according to your team's logged hours in their timesheets, you'll be able to see in real time how much of your proposed budget you've used according to each of your stages. Tasks are the smaller portions of a project, usually within a stage, something you may want to delegate to any number of your team members to work on. For example, say in the resource consent stage, if we wanted one of our team members to produce an architectural set, we can create a task for this. We can decide whether we want to link this to our client, which allows our client to see this. We can decide which of the partners we want to view this as well. We can allow all connected parties to view this, the assigned partner only, and of course, ourself only. And then we can assign assignee. You can assign someone from another consultancy as a partner, or you can assign a member of your own team. You can then send a start date and of course a due date for this stage. The last button is for the status of the task. You can mark this as complete, in which case it will light up blue. And if this task was overdue, say we went past the 30th of September, this will change color again to indicate that you are overdue with this task. If we now go ahead and select our tasks, this is going to open up a side window. Here you can collaborate, live chat, and share files for review or even a signature confirmation. This includes your client if you've linked them to your task, the partner consultancies you've linked to this task, and of course your own team members. You can add as many connected persons as you like at the Partners Involved section right here, simply by clicking the plus, and you can add new parties here simply by email, your own connected team members, or connected consultancies. People who are added to this task will be able to view and collaborate with you. To comment on a task, simply click here and type in the message you want to send. This will then appear within the comments feed for all who are connected to this task to see, and in which case they can reply and you can have a conversation. This makes it perfect for remote work and collaborating with team members and other consultants from a long distance. To upload a file, you can press the Add File button here, or you can simply drag one over from your computer, which will automatically upload that file. To request a confirmation on a document, simply upload your chosen document, which will then appear here. Select the document and click Request Confirmation. You can select the assignee from the connected partners, or you can enter any email for this to be sent to them. We'll select our client for the project, as noted here as client. And we can decide whether we want to customize the message we're sending with this confirmation document and whether we require a signature. Then we can go ahead and send that request. The receiver of the document will then be able to sign the document online from the email they receive, which will automatically update the document within your Clarc account as confirmed here. You'll get notifications for this and other updates within your notification hub when these happen. Going back outside our project, we'll take a look at project templates. Project templates over here are a great way of easily setting up your projects within Clarc that will have a similar stage and task structure. To create a new template, simply click the Add Template button down here, or edit one of the existing templates. When editing a template, you can add stages from the Add Stage button down here as well. And if you want to add a task to any of your stages, simply click the plus button here. You can have multiple different templates for the different types of projects that you manage, for instance, residential or commercial projects. And then don't forget to save your changes when you've finished creating and editing your templates. Follow on with our next video to see how to set up your team and add contacts for your clients and partner consultancies.